Good morning. I just wanted to share a quick couple tips on how you can keep chickens out of your raised garden beds. Here I've got some of the mesh that you use in the spring and sometimes throughout the year for your garden to protect from frost, keep the temperature a little bit nicer, etc. And I clip it right now. I've been clipping it with just some regular office clips, but you can clip it with whatever you think would work best for you. These can start to rust, so and in addition to that, for now I have this bird netting over it. The bird netting doesn't really help on its own because the chickens tend to get in here anyway. They're not super smart about that, but this is one way you can start some seedlings. Just water over this, no problem. And then for later in the season or early on if you want to as well, you can go to an arbor or some other kind of support, like sticks on the side or posts or something. Just make sure. And then of course usually I'll clip it at various spots along the side to provide a little more reinforcement for this material. But just make sure that you don't put something across, because a lot of times they will they try to land on things and then jump over. So this is one way where this kind of inhibits that. They just don't like trying to fly over something, and if it doesn't have anything for them to land on, so much the better. Okay, so I hope that helps give you some ideas for these. I've just used usually the smaller or medium size office clips at the bottom. They can rust, but I haven't really had that many problems with it. And then at the top, for these, depending on what you're using, you could go for the jumbo size. The large ones like this one, if I were actually going to hang it on these posts, I'd use jumbo. Unfortunately, last year I tried to use just this, and they easily just fly onto this and then over, or underneath and over. So there's no point in something this low. So, but at least this is just here for right now until I get my other arbor set up. The arbor kits are pretty inexpensive. You can usually find them for maybe $30, sometimes less, and they come in a small box like that. So hopefully this information was useful. Thank you. Bye-bye.